How to contact Kraken support via Kraken Pro. First of all, open the Kraken Pro app and log into your account. Next, tap your profile icon at the top right corner of the home screen. Scroll down and tap on the support or help center section. Here you will find options like FAQs, guides and ways to contact Kraken support directly. To reach out to support, select the Contact Us option and tap the Chat with Us button. You may be asked to provide details about your issue, so type in your message clearly. A Kraken support representative will respond to help you resolve your problem as quickly as possible. If you have any account related questions or technical issues, this is the fastest way to get assistance. Now you know how to contact Kraken support via Kraken Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.